Hello, my name is Dr. Michael Mack. I'm one of the residents here in the University of Calgary, here to explain to you VRTC Navigation and Instruments Anti-Tremor Training Level 4. In this particular level, your job is to use your dominant hand to guide an instrument to go through the small glowing sphere and guide it towards the path of completion. Very similar to other levels that you've encountered if you've completed the VRTB and VRTA training modules. So this level is relatively forgiving. It is hard to actually keep the very tip of your instrument inside the sphere at all times, but it actually won't deduct you many points if it slips out every once in a while. You do want to try to minimize that though. My tip would try to be to use the shadow that you see in the image to gauge where your tip of your instrument is. And then also at the same time, you want to be able to be as smooth as possible for the easier sections of this path. So for instance here, it is relatively smoother, it's just a straight line. So you should be able to guide the sphere as easily as possible without slipping out as much during these, or at least this pathway. But when you get to the curves, especially here, that's where you may run into trouble. And so you want to maybe save your errors for that particular section of the path. So here you can tell that I am having a bit of trouble keeping the instrument inside the sphere. The spatial awareness of such a small instrument, especially when you're close to that of the retina, it is tougher to ensure that you're as smooth as possible. Nonetheless, you can see here I try my best to complete the training, and you'd be surprised that the level is very forgiving for what it deems to be an appropriate score. So there's the outline of the path that I took. Obviously not as smooth as the cataract ones there, but we still scored 97 on this attempt. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more details.